a bit of good news right here for Alec Baldwin, as criminal charges against him have been dropped. All criminal charges against actor and producer Alec Baldwin over the fatal shooting of cinematographer Halyna Hutchins on the set of the movie Rust have been dropped. Just so you know, prosecutors in Santa Fe had been pressing forward with 2 involuntary manslaughter charges against the Hollywood star. A statement from Alec Baldwin's lawyer, Luke Nichols, and Alex Spiro reads, and I quote, "We are pleased with the decision to dismiss the case against Alec Baldwin, and we encourage a proper investigation into the facts and circumstances of this tragic accident." End of quote. As of now, the film's weapons handler, Hannah Gutierrez-Reed, still has charges standing against her. However, her lawyers expect she will also be exonerated. All of this is also coming after Alec Baldwin asked for a lawsuit filed by the parents and sister of Rust cinematographer Halyna Hutchins to be dismissed by a judge earlier this month. According to him, Hutchins' parents and sister had been distanced from her physically, financially, and emotionally for years before her death, as they only filed the misguided lawsuit to obtain compensation. In another recent development, Alec Baldwin and the crew of Rust are said to be back on set. A spokesperson for the film told CNN that they will resume production at the Yellowstone Film Ranch in Montana, a place meant to honor Halyna's legacy. Matthew Hutchins, Halyna Hutchins' widower, and Baldwin announced that they have reached an undisclosed settlement in October following a wrongful death lawsuit filed against the actor and the film's production companies, its producers, and other key members of the crew. The movie is to be completed as part of the agreement, with Matthew Hutchins serving as an executive producer.
I am so happy for Alec Baldwin.
I must
say, very, very happy for him, because he's been through hell. Hell in the sense that, you know, I'm not sure what his mental health state is right now. And then, you know how, you know, paparazzi is always after him, you know, and then you have, like, it's just been so sick.
Yeah.
I really commend his wife, because that's a lot. And the children.
Yeah.
And, you know, I am so happy for him once again, and I expected this. And then again, the fact that they said that the person in charge of the props is still there trying to, like, you know, sort out our own, you know, case. I would expect that, because I was asking, somebody is actually in charge of this. This person is an actor, and it was actually acting. So, I mean, so yeah, good news. Because there is no how you're going to wipe that away from his bio or anything. You go to Wikipedia, you see that he killed somebody already. So how is going to live for the rest of his life with that?
It's quite traumatic, very traumatic.
Yeah.
Because I don't understand how he's going to mentally be able to go through that movie anymore. Because from what we read, they're still going to complete the movie. So it's traumatic not just for the actor himself, but for everybody involved in that.
I'm telling you, and I really do hope that that movie will do well. And again, that they will now continue to give him roles, because he was complaining that everybody is not now giving him roles.
So that's the thing. I think I was discussing this with OJ recently. The cancel culture in Hollywood is quite alarming. Once you're cancelled, that's just it. And then they don't even believe in you're innocent until proven. You're not guilty until proven, you know, guilty. They don't believe in that, so they just cancel you all the way.
This is not even intentional.
This is not intentional. And then, I mean, they charged him with involuntary manslaughter and all that. And he said there that the siblings and the mother were not even close to this woman physically, emotionally, financially, nothing. And they're just coming out now because they want to get something compensation out of it. If there's any truth in that, then that's quite sad, because you didn't know this. This person was your blood, your person, and you're not talking to this person for the longest time. Then all of a sudden, because the person died of unnatural circumstances,
you want to rip her in death.
Come on, that is just evil in every way.
I mean, that's sad. It's
that
not
is
even
evil
funny.
in every way. If there's nobody that, I don't think anybody would think that man went out of his way to
actually kill somebody.
That's right. That's right.
It was an accident that happened.
Was. I totally agree with you.
And like they said, investigations were ongoing, and then even the props manager and all that have been investigated. Hopefully that she's vindicated, but somebody messed up.
That's right.
Somebody
did not do their job.
Yes, somebody did not do their job. So And now it's going to be traumatic for everybody involved in that for the rest of it.
Yeah, I will say it's kind of a late birthday present for him because, I mean, he just celebrated his birthday a short while back, and I was still wondering, like, on this day of his birthday, he probably won't even be able to celebrate, to be honest, because there's so much going on. So I think this happening now is a sort of a bit of fresh air, but I will say the way life happens, some people will always still just say, he killed somebody.
There is
and
no,
he was, no, there are people that will still say like that he's guilty. There are still people that will believe he's guilty and say, how you not know? How you not? At the end of the day, that stigma is there forever.
Immediately it happened.
Wikipedia.
I checked that
I know it was you
on
that told me.
Wikipedia, and I saw he killed. I said, ah!
Yeah, I don't even know. You know, if we now even take this to Christianity and the laws of God and says, thou shalt not kill, it's just deep. Like, how do you even judge this case?
No, so there are things that you don't even want to think about because you don't even want to put yourself in that person's shoes because you don't get. It is a mistake. Life is funny.
See that this guy has been proven
Innocent.
He has been proven innocent. We were just talking about what they call jungle justice that happens in Nigeria.
Imagine.
If it was something like that happened now, the next thing they gather around him and beat him and kill him. Meanwhile, he was not guilty.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
So a lot to learn from this story. All right, next.